Hi, let's imagine that you want your documents to be heard even by those who can see. Okay, so how you can do that in LibreOffice? We have this document and we want to be sure that a blind person, for example, can hear this document through a computer, a screen reader. Okay, so what we have to be very careful about, we have to mark the heading as it should. For example, in tables we need to check repeat heading in the text flow in order to read that on every page if the table is on more pages. Let's see more in this document from Document Foundation. Okay, so on Wiki Document Foundation we have this article, how to create accessible LibreOffice files. So these are not only for people with disabilities but also for everyone else. The document can be read through many technologies, including assistive technologies. So we want to save this document as a tag PDF. We will see later, but to ensure that we have everything to export, we need to check some things. So first thing is to have the headings like we did before. Another thing is to have description for every image in our document, because we can see a picture but the person who is blind, for example, can't read, can see the image but can listen the description of the image. So in option you could insert here the name of the image. Also for headers, as I said, we have to check these repeating headers, and we can set a language for our document. So for example, in our document we can select all the text, and here we can change the language to United States, English United States. Okay, so the documents, the software for reading this document will know that we'll read in the document in English. So let's go to our document and let's export it as a tagged PDF. Okay, so from here we check that option, tagged PDF, and we add a structure to our document. Okay, so let's rename this tagged document and let's save it. Okay, so it's like a normal document, but for a blind person this will look much better and easy to listen. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.